SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which sort of is very huge. SLP especially faces obstruction at $0.003, or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth Love Elixir really is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the basically generally bears by and large generally has been laid out at $0.003 20 January 2024. In this video we will essentially walk you through beautiful Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts, what sort of is genuinely sort of transient cost expectation for in every practical sense, Smooth Love mixture, most certainly is SLP a very wise speculation. Which for the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love mixture support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they basically thought. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the SLP specialized examination, for the most part in a real sense, let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very certainly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially extremely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $57,055,176,489 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense generally discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they in a real sense truly thought. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, or so they fundamentally essentially thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period, sort of additional appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, in a sort of significant manner. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, basically truly is somewhere near 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67, which for the most part is very huge in a significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an every practical sense, descending course for pretty present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a really broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in an extremely in every way that really matters, significant way. Smooth Love Elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally fundamentally is genuinely huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very critical. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers generally in a real sense move really dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Following in a real sense truly are the help and opposition levels of truly Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, all things considered, smooth love mixture execution. The everyday diagram of pretty smooth love mixture certainly generally shows that the SLP cost basically essentially has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.18% reduction in kind of beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span. Super further appearance how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely huge. The value worth of the by and large smooth love mixture SLP coin actually especially is remaining at $0.003 with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, showing that similarly opposition in every practical sense essentially is a level at which vendors actually especially become move fundamentally dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they certainly thought. In spite of mainstream thinking, SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume vary is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 20 January 2024, inside an actually especially everyday time span in a real sense in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath, showing how the exceptionally complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $57,055,176,489, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize exceptionally in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving certainly truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving all things considered. Normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the exceptionally smooth love elixir in a truly significant manner in a significant way basically. The genuinely relatives, the MACD line basically really is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, or so they generally thought. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to essentially in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day graph. Showing how truly smooth love elixir financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the actually quite day-to-day diagram, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking by and large. While SLP's Williams %R marker generally in every way that really matters is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange extremely signal sort of is most certainly essentially conceivable at this reach, or so they sort of thought, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the traditional turn, the pivotal prompt obstruction for SLP may especially be somewhat certainly found at $0.003, truly followed by $0.004, so similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants in every practical sense most